Hey guys, welcome to our palm nursery here on Salt Spring Island. We're past the first week of January, and some of you are curious of how things have fared after that freeze we had in December. I'm just going to tell you one thing. We go through freezes pretty much every year here in this part of the world. You've got to remember we are in Canada, we're not in the tropics. So these palms are acclimatized. These are Trachycarpus fortunei, and you can see we do have thousands of them here in these cold frames beside me. I don't know if you can see it from that view, from that angle, but there's thousands of liner-sized 2.5-inch pots in these non-heated cold frames. They're all absolutely flawless. So these are locally grown Trachycarpus fortunei palms. I harvest the seed here on Salt Spring Island. If you're looking for hardy palms and you're up this way, give me a call or text or message me, and we can make an appointment and you can come by and check out and see what we have here selection-wise. We have Trachycarpus fortunei, we have hybrids in here too, and like I say, all locally harvested seed and tough as nails. They stay out year-round. The only thing I do is mulch the pots with leaves. The bigger ones up there in the 5-gallon are actually not mulched, and they're fine too, which surprises me. It actually surprises me more that these 2.5-inch liner-sized pots do not freeze when we get those wicked cold snaps, every 10 years or so. So this year we had one in December, and actually last year, late December 2021, we also had one. And then the bad one before that was December 2008, and then before that was, I think, 1998 December. Seemed to always be in December, right? I mean, I've seen them in February, too early February, but the worst ones seem to be in December and early January. But anyway, like I say, if you're looking for a hardy palm tree for your temperate garden, check out what we have here on Salt Spring Island, and also check out some of my videos here. You can see what we grow. All right, so this is what it looks like after the first week of February. Past the first week of February, things are absolutely thriving. It is green year-round, and somebody said to me exotic gardens are overrated. Well, I think that's bull crap. They're definitely not overrated, man. They do turn heads, exotic gardens. Anything that's not native to a certain area, to a particular area, is an exotic plant. So if it's been introduced, it is an exotic plant. So most of you people out there, even though you don't realize it, are exotic plant growers, even if you don't want to be. If you're growing lilacs, you're growing petunias, you're growing some of those vegetables in your garden, and those fruit trees, those are introduced species to this area. All right? So those are exotic plants. So welcome to the exotic plant growing world. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more videos here from this channel. Cheers to you.